Okay, welcome to a very sunny 2nd of October. So I'm just going to do you a little walking tour of the shops you can find in Hill Green. You're right under the flight path here of Manchester Airport. I'm going to walk you all the way down. It's only a small row of shops really. And we'll conclude at the fruit and veg shop, which is just next door to the Hill Green train station. Quite a nice little selection of shops here, to be honest, and there's some decent charity shops here as well. And just behind these shops here, right behind, down here, you've got quite a big car park as well. There's ample parking here. Got disabled parking here. Hear the planes going over, and quite some nice little seating areas here as well, so if you want to sit down and have your lunch, you can.
Yeah, they have a car.
So the Tesco's have just passed theirs, all opens really late. And you've got a fair sized co-op here as well. So for such a little area, and with Asda, big Asda just being down the road, you get quite a decent selection of shops here. It is quite busy around here with traffic, and there are quite a few just little lay-bys here, so you can park your car. All the streets just going off are all double yellow door, single yellow line, so you're best off trying to secure your parking either on the main street or in the car park that we just passed. Now this cafe here is fabulous. Cafe on the Lane. Been here for breakfast and met a few clients here, so yeah, I'll give that a 10 out of 10. So as you can see what I'm just saying here, all the little roads here are all yellow lines, and you will get a ticket if you want to park down here. So the old NatWest Bank shut down now, like most banks have. It's all going online these days. And this is our post office for this little area here, with all the outdoor fruit and veg. Quite a decent little shop this, it's got quite a variety of stuff. Okay, I'm going to cross you over. So you've got Hill Green train station here. And your next stop is Manchester Airport. This is quite a brilliant place for all your fresh fruit and veg. Plenty of stock, loads of stuff inside. Yeah, right next to the right next to the train station. Just cross over. We're nearly at the end now. So if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. This is another bank, or it was. Can't remember which one it was. Lloyd's. It was, yeah, Lloyd's. Yeah, again, shut down. Cash only. It's a bit of a rarity these days. And here we go. I'll conclude the video here. So, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps my little channel. Liking is free and subscribing is also free. Absolutely no charge. I'm just shy of 2,000 subscriptions at the moment. And looking at the statistics, only 1.8% of the people, the viewers, actually subscribe. So I'd like to get up to at least 3%, which would be fantastic. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.